Welcome to my review channel, folks. Today I'm going to be reviewing a digital voice recorder. I needed something to record audio with a remote microphone, but I didn't want to spend a ton of money on it. So I thought I'd pick up this little voice recorder. It's supposed to come with 2 wireless mics. So I figured I'll throw a little review together and put an affiliate link down in the description. Hopefully everybody likes what this video has to offer. So let's get it opened up. Let's see what's inside here. If I can get it open. There's the recorder. It's not very big at all. And the 2 little wireless lapel mics, headphones, and a little USB-C cable, and a user manual. So let me get this set up and charged up, and we'll start using it a little bit. Right now the audio you're listening to is through the GoPro Hero 11. I have a pile condenser mic. That's what you're listening to right at the moment, and then we can compare the audio from this to my condenser mic, the GoPro, and I also have a fancy Shure lapel mic that I'll hook up, and we can compare the audio for that. So let me get this set up and start using it, and we'll come back. Okay, we're back. I've had a couple days to play with this. First thing I recommend is taking the instruction manual and throwing it right in the garbage because it's worthless. So the first thing you want to do is flip this upper switch that turns it on. Gives you a little welcome screen. And if you flip this bottom on that, activates the wireless microphones. Push the little button on the back. I'll turn those on. Now it says in the manual to hit the record button and it will start recording. It does not. It connects them, and you can see they're connected because the lights change and they flash green, but you actually have to hit the play pause button. Give it a few seconds. And you'll see it comes up, and now it's recording, and you can see the bars. It records both microphones to the same stereo channel, so it's not like there's separate or right and left or anything like that. I did play with them for a while. These batteries last about 5 hours in the wireless mics, and I didn't even figure out how long the battery in the actual recorder lasts. Probably from my testing I would say over 12 hours, probably 24 or longer. You can see it's got about 50 hours of record time, and I'm recording at 1536 kilobits per second. I believe that's what it is. That's the highest resolution this will record at, highest bit rate I should say. So let me pin one of these microphones onto my shirt here, and we can switch the audio from this device. So now we're listening to the actual recording from the wireless microphone on this. Let me turn this one off. There, and it's just pinned to my chest. If you look on the other side, there is a headphone jack. It shows it here, and there's a microphone jack there. You can plug in, I think, just about any 3.5mm microphone. I believe it's not an active connection, I believe they call it. So you'll have to have a powered device if you're going to use an external microphone. So let me pause this and I've got a Rode Video Mic Pro. We can plug that in and just see what the sound difference is between the included wireless mic and the Rode. So I believe we just pause that, hit the record button, and we'll save it. So just plug this microphone in, it is on, hit the record button, and now we're recording from the Rode Video Mic Pro. Looks like I've got the gain set way too high. I'll change that. There, that's a little better. So this is the audio coming from the Rode Video Mic Pro. You can see it plugs in. The one thing you do have to make sure of is this switch is off to disable the wireless microphones, or else it will not recognize the wired microphone. So now we've listened to this. I have a Shure wireless lapel mic. It's a pretty fancy high-dollar mic that I shamelessly pilfered from a former employer. There's the, I don't know if you can read that part number, PXG1 from the looks of things. So let me pause this and I'll swap microphones and we can try that one. So unplug that one. So I'll plug this microphone in, hit the record button. Now we're listening to the Shure lapel mic. So you can hear the audio difference between the two. I'll have to manually adjust the gains just so they're comparable. I don't know what the gains are set on the other two microphones. I did turn the Rode down because that was set way high, but this one looks like it's set awful low. I do have one other microphone I want to try, and that's the actual audio from the media mod for my other GoPro. So let me hook that up real quick and get an audio clip from that. So here is the other GoPro, the audio from the media mod. Turn these back on. Okay, so here's the audio. I have it clipped to the bill of my hat. Sometimes it's nice when you have a beard like I do. If you clip it to your lapel, sometimes you get rustling noises from the beard rubbing on the microphone. So clip it to the bill of my hat to see if how the sound is traveling up that far rather than right down on the chest. But for conclusion, this looks to be a really nice little voice recorder. Seems to function fine. I think it'll work perfectly for what I want to use it for. And you can hear the audio difference. If you are looking for a cheap or cheaper, I think it was right around $50 for this alternative to some of these more expensive wireless microphone or recorder setups. This should function fine. Time will tell how long it'll last. Keep in mind it is an inexpensive Chinese product, so the instruction manual is lacking. Thanks for watching, and there's links in the video description to this and some of the other microphones and audio equipment I used in this video. Of course, those are affiliate links, so if you click and buy through there, I make $1 or $2, and it doesn't cost you anything. So thanks for watching.